What up, YouTube? This is my bike check on my 2010 Eastern Growler. So I'm gonna start off with the front. I got stock bars, 8.25. Whatever. What up, YouTube? This is my bike check on my 2010 Eastern Growler. So I'm gonna start off with the front. I got stock bars, 8.25 width with then stock alloy front load stem. Then for grips I got red ODI grips. Then bar ends I got fit plug bar ends. Then integrated head tube, integrated headset, stock forks, chromoly heat treated, 14mm dropouts, stock front rim, got fit FAF tire on here. For some reason it's 2.10 and it's supposed to be really thick, but like the width is supposed to be like wide, but it's really thin for some reason. I don't know why, but whatever. Stock frame, really light, like it. Limited lifetime warranty. Stock seat post, built-in seat clamp, stock cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals. KMC 710 chain, Eastern Medusa sprocket, chromoly dropouts, stock back rim, stock tire, stock back tire, Eastern Fuquai tire. So yeah, it's my bike check. I've had this bike for about I'd say 2 days. Been running it hard, and it's a pretty good bike. Yeah. Only thing I don't like is when it comes, the seat post, it only goes up to like, up to right here. So I cut mine in order for it to be shorter. So yeah, you might have to cut it or slam it all the way down when you get it. So yeah, so that's my bike check, and please comment and subscribe. Alright, thanks, peace.